When last did you eat this type of food? Tell me. It looks delicious, right? Of course. And it tastes really, really amazing. Guys, welcome back to another video. On this very day, I was just craving for some chicken foot and fried dodo. So I decided to prepare it this way instead of frying. So after boiling my gizzard, I cut my ripe plantain. The plantain was not that ripe, okay, it was not very ripe, let's say medium. I don't know how to, so I just slice them, then I decide to put them on the steak as you are seeing it, like that. Guys, I said at the end of it, I was like, oh my god, what type of combo is this? Hey, so I just continue the process until I'm done with all. After that, I'm going to add spices, paprika powder, garlic powder as well. If you have fresh garlic, is also good. Parsley, dry parsley. I added salt. I also added pinch of season powder. Excuse me, guys. So I added olive oil, then mix together. After that, I'm going to just rub everything on the plantain and the gizzard. Just rub everything, romance it with the mixed spices with olive oil. I will just romance everything, all of them one after the other, until they will be very well seated on the plantain and gizzard. Guys, after that, I will just place it in the oven. So here we have our chicken food already cooked. Then I'm adding some peppermint sauce. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Oh my god. I said this combo, I'm going to be doing this combo maybe every weekend because this combo is out of this world. I enjoy it perfectly well. Guys, what do you think about this combo? Tell me if you will be trying this out. It really made my day. I enjoy every part of it. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.